I'm going to show you how to assign an activity that you want your students to complete in Seesaw. So I have my class pulled up. I go up to Add, and I'm going to go to Assign Activity. Now, if I have something saved in my library, I can go ahead and assign from there. But if I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking for, I can go into my community, and with Halloween coming up, I'm going to look for some Halloween activities. So I'm going to just hit all grade levels at this point so I can see what all is out there. And then I'm going to type in Halloween and search. So you can see here I have some Halloween math problems. I have a Halloween story problems. I'm not exactly seeing what I want, so I'm going to keep scrolling down through here. Here's a Halloween word problem, so I like this one. So this is for 4th grade math, you can see here. So I'm going to assign this to my students to do. So all I have to do is hit assign and then pick the class that I want to assign it to. So I'm going to pick my library class at this point and assign. And then I have the choice here to view it in my account or for the students just to do it. So if I'm going to go over it with the students, I'm going to go ahead and view it and I can see what it looks like. So it gives me the directions here. It says open up the template and use the drawing tool and the microphone to explain your answers. So for the student to submit something to this, I just hit add response. The student would pick their name. I'm going to use sample student at this point. So once you have the assignment made, then the student will just go through and complete the assignment as assigned. So it says 6 spiders climbing on the door. How many legs? Well, a spider has 8 legs, so 8 times 6 is 48. And so the student would go through and they would answer the problems here. So I'm going to write 48 on here. And then once they're all finished, they just hit the green check mark, and that will submit the assignment and turn it into the teacher. And so as a teacher, I'll get a response saying that the student has submitted it and that I need to review it before it will post to their page. So I would go in as a teacher, 3 dots, edit item. I could check it. I would use a different color than what they use, so I'm going to use red this time and check it. I'm going to put a star on it, and then I'm going to give it back to them, saying that they've completed it, they have done it correctly, and it's now graded and sent back to them and published now on their page.